A lot of people throw away orange peel without realizing it's one of the most interesting parts of the fruit. And lately, a simple habit called the orange peel trick has been getting attention in wellness communities for how light and refreshing it feels as part of a morning routine. This isn't about extreme routines or unrealistic claims. It's just a natural method that uses orange peel in a warm morning mix that many people say helps them feel less heavy, more comfortable, and more balanced throughout the day. What makes this trick so popular is how practical it is. You don't need special products or complicated steps. It's a small habit you can prepare at home using something most people already have in the kitchen, and it fits easily into daily life. Many people who try the orange peel trick mention that the first thing they notice is how their mornings feel different, lighter, calmer, and easier to start. Others say it becomes a comforting routine that supports a better sense of well-being over time. There's a video that explains exactly how to prepare the orange peel trick step by step, including the timing and the right way to do it. You can watch the full video through the link in the description or in the pinned comment. If you've been looking for a gentle routine that feels natural and refreshing, this might be worth checking out.